everyone, welcome to Nursing with CG. In this video, I'm going to talk about the changes in NCLEX exam related to COVID-19. Also, I'm going to give you some test taking strategies. Stay tuned. The NCLEX exam is not that easy exam. It needs a lot of preparations. The most important thing, the confidence that makes you successful. So this exam needs a lot of preparations. First thing, I would recommend you write your name and on the right side write in a bold big letter that Maria Rodriguez RN and paste on your mirror. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing that you are seeing that you are a registered RN. That's your dream. So let's all walk towards your dream. Alright? So I want to give you the updates on NCLEX. The first thing, the number of questions, it was 265 questions in the beginning. Currently, they made a change that the total number of questions 130. So you have to attend 130 maximum questions. Minimum questions, that is 60 questions. The difficulty level of the exam has not changed. When you take NCLEX exam, when you go to the center, you will be taking the exam. You are using computer adaptive test and you're going to start the test. And before there was some dummy questions, 10 to 15 dummy questions. But that question has changed. They are not giving you that dummy questions because we need to save time and space for other students. So make sure that you are well prepared for the test and you get minimum 60 questions and maximum 130 questions. If your computer is turned off at 60, that means either you passed or you failed. That first 60 questions determines that how efficient you are or how competent you are. Sometimes you will struggle throughout the 60 questions. That means you are not up to the standard. Your preparations is not adequate. That's not end of the world. You have time. Get more energy, more power, and in the second attempt, I'm sure that you will definitely pass. How to get NCLEX information? Please watch this website to get all the updates on NCLEX exam. When you prepare, make sure that you use some resources. The resources which I used, Saunders, Kaplan, Mosby, and you have a lot of NCLEX review test guides are available in the market. Make use of it and prepare yourself and get ready for the exam. Alright? These are the test breakdown. Management of care 17 to 23%, safety and infection control 9 to 15%, health promotion and maintenance 6 to 12%, psychosocial integrity 6 to 12%, physiological integrity, basic care and comfort 6 to 12%, pharmacological and parenteral therapies 12 to 18%, reduction of risk potential 9 to 15%, and physiological adaptation 11 to 17%. Here are some tips for passing NCLEX exam at the first time. The first thing, you should know the type of exam, the computer adaptive testing format. The second thing, the stress management. If you are so much stressed, there won't be any blood flow to the brain and you won't be able to perform well. Know your study style. You can use mnemonics, comparison tables, and memorize the key concepts. Make a study plan. Two things important for making a study plan. Number one, the time management, how you schedule your time. Number two, the techniques we use for studying, like mnemonics, comparison tables, and make all the components of the content right in a single piece of paper and attach to the wall. That gives you an opportunity to memorize all those key concepts very easily. Make sure that your past learning experience or past knowledge should not prevent you from learning new things. Test taking skills are very important. You should practice the test just like the NCLEX exam. You can practice with 160 questions at a single time and make sure that you get at least above 80% in that test, and use all the techniques for test taking strategies. Time management is very important. Practice exactly the same way as you're going to perform in the NCLEX. Spend some money for your resources such as test banks and study material, and also if you can attend the review course, that also will be very beneficial for taking this test. And practice makes you perfect, so do more and more practice questions before the test. And I want to give you some test strategies and some tips how to prepare for the test. Make sure that you be prepared and on time for the test, and be relaxed. Listen carefully to all the updates of NCLEX exam. Read all the instructions in the computer very carefully. Time management is very important. Please make sure the time used efficiently. Look for all the cues. If your computer is not shut down by 60 questions, proceed, hang in there and finish the test and do all the questions up to 130. Stay tuned to my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more nursing videos.